Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope all of you are well and safe, and I really pray to God for your wellness and for your safety. Myself Rita, PGT Political Science from your school, your grade 11 Political Science teacher, and today I am going to analyze your Set A and Set B both Political Science December exam. Yes, in link 1, the questions you have done, you will get the score automatically. In link 2, the question was passage based question. Right, on the screen you are watching that there is a passage and question I have asked to you how the right to freedom has been designed to address the new problem. Answer, through judicial interpretation. Which right has been interpreted to include right to livelihood, that is right to life. Which right has been granted by a new law, right to information, जिसे हम RTI 2005 कहते हैं, which you have done in your economics also. Second passage, and the question was, what is the base of the Indian Constitution? Main function of the Parliament, and mention one important function of the judiciary. The answer is, the Indian Constitution is based on the delicate principle of limited separation of powers, checks and balances, balance of power, which you can say. The Parliament is the supreme in lawmaking and amending the Constitution. The judiciary is the supreme in setting the disputes and deciding whether the laws have been made according to the provisions of the Constitution. Link 3. Question number 19. What do you mean by election system? Election system is a medium to elect the representatives, especially in the indirect democracy, to form the government. The representatives are elected by the people to act in accordance with the wishes of the people. Question number 20. What is an ordinary bill? Now make sure here I have not asked money bill. I have asked ordinary bill. Ordinary bills are concerned with the matters other than money matters. Okay, this is not a money bill. These are of two types, government bill introduced by the minister and the private bills introduced by the member of parliament, MP. Question number 21. What is meant by social constraints? Social constraints refer to the restrictions imposed by the society. So are constraints of any kind necessary for enjoying the freedom? Yes, there are various sections who demand the ban on films, books, articles, journals. Though banning is an easy solution for the short term to meet the demand immediately, but it is harmful for the long term. So now, question number 22. How can you define development? Development is a multidimensional process involving changes in the structures, attitudes, institutions, acceleration of economic growth, reduction of inequality and eradication of poverty. Link 4. Question number 23. What is meant by freedom of expression? What in your view would be a reasonable restriction on this freedom? It is a right of non-interference by the state. It is a fundamental value and hence society must be willing to bear some inconvenience also to protect it from the whosoever wants to restrict it. Reasonable instructions, better books, play, films, academic articles, etc. Now question number 24. Does the principle of considering special needs of the people conflict in the principle of equal treatment? Yes. To promote social justice, the principle of taking account of special need people does not contradict with the principle of equal treatment, because the people who are not equal in the certain important respect may be treated differently, like you can say handicapped people. So people with special need, physical disability, in India, lack of good education, healthcare, etc. are generally combined with the social discrimination on the basis of caste. Now question number 25. Differentiate between political, economic and cultural rights. But if you have done in short, marks will be awarded to you. Okay, so don't worry. Political rights. Political rights क्या आप डालोगे? सबसे पहले right to express one's view freely, right to protest, free and fair trial. Then equality to all the citizens. Every citizen has a right to participate in the political process. Economic, whenever we are talk about economic, we are talking about money. So food, shelter, clothing and health. And adequate ways to meet their basic needs. Democratic societies provide reasonable condition of work. Cultural rights, yes, primary education, recognized necessary for leading a good life. And teaching one's own language. Question number 26. Composition of gram panchayat. हाँ जी, local level पर. Every village has a population of 500 people consisting of the village panchayat. It is formed by the member elected by the people of the villages. Member of panchayats are called panch and head is known as sarpanch. The number of members should be minimum 5 and maximum 10. Every panchayat must have one female candidate and one or two members from SC or BC caste. Question number 27. Why do we study political theory? This was from book 2, my dear, first lesson. It is relevant for the all professions to have a basic knowledge of the political ideas and information. To encourage us to examine our ideas. We can differentiate between just or unjust reaction. Now question number 28, picture based question, link 5. Yes, the question I have asked from you according to the picture. Why these people are worried? The worries are about displacement due to urbanization and construction. What will be the result for this? The people likely to displace due to any big project are not going to accept their fate positively with the thought of ruined economically, socially and culturally also. Question number 29, map based question. I have asked 5 states having bicameral legislature, that is Andhra Pradesh, Bihar, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Telangana and Uttar Pradesh, not Jammu and Kashmir. Some of the students have marked again Jammu and Kashmir, but Jammu and Kashmir is having no bicameral legislature. Now, link 6 solution. Question number 30. What is constitution? How can we say that constitution is a living document? Yes, the lengthy answer, 6 marks answer. If you have elaborated, well and good. Otherwise, no worries, marks will be awarded to you. Yes, first of all, you will give the definition that a constitution is a written document. It is having rules and regulations to run the government of the country. So, what are its functions? Provisions to resolve the socio-economic problem. To update at par the provision in the constitution and amendments are made. Judicial interpretation, executive order, customs also support to growth of constitution. A constitution is capable to adopt the new condition as they arise. Question number 31. This is also carrying 6 marks. Positive and negative aspects of equality. You remember this question we have done 100 times in the class and in the revision as well. Positive impacts to provide adequate opportunities to all. Every individual should get equal opportunities to develop one's own potential and caliber up to their best level. Negative aspect, it refers the absence of undue privilege to the people to remove man-made inequality in the society. No one should be discriminated on the ground of caste, color, creed, gender or bar. Question number 32. Yes, 6 marks answer. See, if you have done here 3 kinds of headings, each heading contains 3 points, marks will be awarded to you. Okay, so here we have discussed legislative power, financial power and judicial power. Okay, so judicial power, most important thing, the president has the power to appoint the judges of the Supreme Court. Many of the students have done this line wrong because they have written the PM has the power to appoint the judges of the Supreme Court as well as the High Court. The President of India has the power to pardon, reprieve or commute the punishment of any criminal for whom he thinks to deserve pardon. Thank you very much. I hope your exam is up to the mark and you have done good answers. I hope you will get good marks and pass with flying colors. Thank you very much. Thank you, beta.